A very good morning to Ms. Chanwai and my fellow friends. My name is Ruel Park, and today I will be talking about the social survey that we have done. The negative impacts of smoking on health affects not only the smoker, but everyone who lives in the same society and shares the same economy. Smoking is linked to an increase in overall expenses due to increased illness, a decrease in the social product, and excess mortality. The most difficult aspect of quitting smoking is determining where it came from, which is often unknown. Individual smoking habits should not be scrutinized only on that basis. It denotes a minor addiction that has its roots in society. This is the result of a study on factors that lead to smoking. Social habits, examples, sensory deprivation, dullness, anxiety, stress, and smoking as a status symbol all play a part. Stress poses a two-pronged threat. It increases smoking and has direct effects on organ function. Smoking is made more enjoyable by its somatic consequences, which in turn triggers smoking. Weaning from smoking has little effect on the cause of addiction. Hence, it is only a symptomatic treatment. Smokers from the older generation are constantly being replaced by smokers from a younger age. Smoking behaviors are more likely to spread among smokers than among non-smokers. Combating this infiltration can only be successful if new ideals and a new non-smoking habit are instilled. These are the questions asked in our survey. What is your gender? Current education level? How old are you? Do you smoke? And if you do, when did you start smoking? What causes you to start smoking? How much cigarettes do you smoke daily? How much do you spend on a pack of cigarettes? Have you ever wanted to try smoking? And last but not least, do you recommend others to smoke? For my self-reflection, through this study, I have gained a great deal of knowledge regarding the harmful effects of smoking. Aside from that, I had a great time working on this project with my wonderful friends. My group mates are all incredibly nice and understanding people who enjoy hearing everyone's ideas and voting on which one is the best among us. Furthermore, my group leader truly acts like a leader, from assigning responsibilities to ensuring that everything is completed correctly. One of the characteristics that I've learned from him is that the need of being responsible and confident. As a result, I appreciate my group leader taking me in at such late notice because I didn't have a group and everyone else was already in the group. Despite the fact that I entered the group later than the others, my group leader assigned me a task that was not too difficult to complete. When we have more group projects in the future, I'll be the one to ask around for group early so that I don't miss out on anything important. Finally, working on this project with my group mates has been a lot of fun, and I hope we can work together in the future. That's all from me. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.